What's going on, micro scale garages? All right, still working on Dan's truck. Still got to go get some solder. I just wanted to do a quick video real quick. Oh, I haven't talked to you guys in a while. Yes, the BRZ has some color on it. It is green. I think this is the paint scheme that I'm gonna go with. It's like a green and black, maybe green and, because there's a lot of blue in the garage, so we're gonna go with like a green and orange or green and white. I don't know. I'm gonna do something wicked because it's gonna be a drift car. We're gonna put all the DRZ stickers on it and everything, make it like a race car, like a sponsored style car. But what else do I want to talk about? Oh, my son's truck, the ECX little barrage here. I want to go out and get a scale body or order a scale body. I want to build this truck up, do some mods for it, and also I want to order either some more suspension because I like how short this suspension is. It's really bouncy, but put some fluid in there, find some other shocks the same length, because I got to get the ECX temper back going. We got to get that truck back going. But put a little light here just to try and lighten it up and everything, see how this looks on camera and everything. And I'm building a scale hoist. My print, I just painted it. My print's really bad on my layers, but it's on Thingiverse. I'll have the description down at the bottom. But it consists of a couple of parts like this right here. I'm trying to design this as the arm part, so that way I want to just use an N20 motor with a long shaft that somebody showed me on the forums a couple weeks back. And I want to have like a bolt system. I'm actually going to change this up because I have an arm system that'll go and then the right length. But I was just setting it here, painting it up. I wanted to print it and just see how it looks in the real world. Whoa. Got stuff falling. Alright, so I kind of set up the hoist a little bit. Let's see here. Right here, this is like a little bottle that would like the reservoir bottle that would timber. All right, we didn't hurt nobody. The worker over there, he's okay. He's fine. But yeah, it's just a little plate, and that's supposed to have like little bolts, for like detail. And then this would, in theory, have a bolt at the bottom of it, and then a linear rod would go through with an N20 motor sitting on top of the tower. That's how I'm thinking. And then if I have both of them wired up, hopefully if I have it wired right, it should travel up and down, I'm thinking. So we should have like a working electronics hoist in here soon. But this is just the first design, just to kind of show you guys how it would look. I mean, because on Thingiverse it looks cool, but to see it actually in person looks a lot better. And then this was supposed to be like this goes here like that, and I would paint this, leave this white, paint that black, the little nozzle, and then that would be like the electronics wire, and then a little switch, a little handle can come out here, and I could sit on the wall. I know my print is not all that good. I gotta get my bed level right, and I think I gotta change my retraction on my prints, but that's another story, another video. We're talking about actual parts, and we actually have a part here. So it's just a quick little talk about the scale hoist and what's to come next. I don't know. We got another drift car build. We're gonna put a new body on here. We gotta finish up my truck again. We're gonna put an electronic speed controller in there, an actual controller. And we gotta finish up my buddy Dan's lights once I get my real one-to-one truck back. Hopefully soon. Praying to God, hopefully soon. And then I can go and get some stuff. But I'm gonna get ready to, hopefully by next month I can order some more paint, because like I was saying, I want to paint the BRZ. So it looks pretty cool. I like it green. I want to try and print like a intercooler for the front. But I know that Hero Garage, they sell intercoolers, but he sells them, I think they're for the 180SX and like the 240SX. But I'm gonna go out, do some micro crawling, because I haven't crawled in a while. I'm gonna crawl my F-150. And like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, wait a minute. My buddy Tim sent me a link a couple days ago, and I believe Asia Tees has the Orlando Hunter DL4 radio. I mean, I'm not sure if they have it for like sale, but they have like an article about it. So it's coming out soon. And then, you know, hopefully this time of year around, you know, we're getting around close to Halloween, we're getting close to Thanksgiving, close to Christmas. Hopefully a new Orlando, you know, I'm hoping for something cool. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think the new Orlando might be. Would it be like a legendary truck that, you know, we already have? Would it be something different? Would it be, I don't know, something crazy like, I don't know, what's a crazy Orlando that a crawler? I mean, I was surprised about the Jeep Wrangler, and I was definitely surprised about this truck. Super surprised about an F-150. You don't really see F-150s. You know, see a lot of Wranglers, but you really don't see a lot of Mitsubishi Pedros. You know what I'm saying? Not at all. So, Suzuki Samurai in my books. You know, Land Rover Defenders always on the top notch in my book. Or maybe like, I don't know, a Russian truck or something like that, or maybe like a Toyota, you know what I'm saying? Maybe an actual like Toyota Helix or something, you know, that would be sweet in 1/32 scale. But alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe, peace and love, God bless. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.